Aloha! You're watching F5 Web Media On Demand. I'm Peter Silva, Technical Marketing Manager with F5, and we're here in San Francisco all week at the 20th anniversary of the RSA conference. And it's always Partner Week at RSA, and we're here with NitroSecurity, one of our security partners. And I happen to have Jerry Skurla. You're the Executive Vice President of Marketing, correct?
Yes, Peter. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So can you tell our audience a little bit about NitroSecurity and what you guys are all about?
Sure. NitroSecurity is the leader in high-performance, content-aware SIEM. Our SIEM block management solutions do PCI reporting, threat detection, and incident response, and we do it in seconds or minutes, as opposed to traditional SIEMs who take hours or days to do the same thing.
And what exactly is, I was talking to somebody earlier about the security and information management, corridor, if you will, right? What is sort of the focus of that sort of niche in the industry?
Sure, it's a critical niche. It has helped lots of organizations meet compliance requirements like PCI, HIPAA, SOX, and NIRC-SIP, and it's increasingly being used for real-time security, for real-time threat detection and incident response against cyber threats like Stuxnet and Aurora.
And I understand we have an integration between our two solutions. So can you tell our audience a little bit about that?
Sure. We've done excellent engineering work with the F5 team, and we've got a consolidated event and analysis integration with the F5 Big IP architecture.
And I believe you have a demo to show.
We absolutely do. Hutchins from our product management organization is right over here.
Follow me this way. So hi, Kara. Thanks for having us today. So you're going to show us a little bit about the cool GUI, huh? The NitroView GUI.
Sure. So here's a NitroView GUI, and what we have over here is a list of the devices that we support, and you can see down here that there are two F5 devices that we actually have loaded on this demo. We have the ASM product and the LTM product that's integrated with this server. And here's an example of a view that you can see that's actually been pre-filtered for just F5 data. So we're only looking at the ASM and the LTM data. And it's grouped basically by normalized IDs, and then we have some subgroups, event summary, source IPs, and then details for event destination IPs.
And so over here it shows the brute force attacks are going through the roof, right?
Yes, that's for the sample that we have, absolutely. We have a lot of other views that we've created with the assistance of some F5 engineers, and I can give you an example of the list. So attack type by web app, attacking IPs by web app, blocked and alert for web apps, brute force, DOS, HTTP, and again that normalized one is the one I just showed you, which shows you all of the different devices, whereas the other ones are pretty much more focused for ASM. I can show you another example of a view. Here's the attack type by web app.
Ah, nice.
So it shows you all the different web apps that we have in our data, and the attack type, which can actually change the details so you can see the full list. The event summary and the request information, which I can also change so you can see the details, and the specific events. And the way that our dashboard works is if you were to select any one of these items, it pre-filters down so that you're starting, for instance, with your DOS data, and then it will pre-filter to just the attack types that are related to DOS, the events that are related to the DOS, the requests, and then the specific events that are part of that.
So it cascades down depending on what you...
Yeah, that's the way that I built it anyway. So.
Can we click on one of them and see what happens?
We go to World Wide Web maybe.
Might as well.
Right? So you can see these other views are updating.
Yep.
And I also actually have baselining turned on, which I could, which what it does for baselining in our product is it calculates the average for the last 5 instances. We're looking at current day, so now it's looking at the last 5 days at this time in that day.
Yep.
What's your average? And so it's calculating these baselines as these views are updating.
Oh, okay.
So we can see the specific attack types that are web-based, and then down here you can see the information for the particular event. So I just chose the video website, YouTube, and these are all the details that are being fed to us from F5.
Nice. So it gathers all the different security events or other events that are happening within the infrastructure, brings them all together, puts it in a very easy to use GUI, and then allows the administrator to drill down per specific event to find out exactly what's going on.
Right. And those views I created are just sample views. I mean, you can create whatever views you want. They're very easy to expand it.
And able to gather all the context too of the user.
Let's make that task on that file.
Really cool stuff.
Glad you liked it.
Thanks for having us.
You're welcome.
And so your booth is 739 if they want to visit. We're going to, this is sort of like a Today Show segue over from the booth back to here. So you customers can find you in booth 739. I'm cheating by looking down here.
Absolutely. We're here until 3 o'clock today. Come by and see us.
And then on the web, they can find you?
We have a website. Yes, we actually do have one of those. Our web address is www.nitrosecurity.com. And you can find us on Twitter. Our Twitter address is @NitroSecurity.
This is really interesting stuff, Jerry. Thanks for having us.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
All right, so from the RSA conference, for Jerry, Kara, from NitroSecurity, I'm Peter with F5 Networks, and as always, Jonathan, my camera guy. Thanks for watching.